Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the opening ceremony. First and foremost, I would request the dignitaries to please take their seats on the board. On the dais, we have got Dr. Ajay Malik, sir, the AIU Observer. Professor Ajay Kapoor, sir, the Vice Chancellor of Somaiya Vidya Vihar University. Dr. Urmi Thakkar, the Head of Campus Administration. And Mr. Izaz Khan, the Director of Somaiya Sports Academy. A very warm welcome to Mumbai and to the vibrant Somaiya Vidya Vihar University campus. My name is Aditya Singh. I'm the Assistant Director of Somaiya Sports Academy and the Joint Secretary of the AIU Local Organizing Committee. And it is my privilege to serve you as your host in this evening for the opening ceremony of AIU Inter-University Squash National Championship 2025-26. On behalf of the Somaiya Vidya Vihar University, Somaiya Sports Academy, and the local organizing committee, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our distinguished dignitaries, the AIU Observer, officials, team managers, coaches, and most importantly, the talented student athletes, the squash players who have traveled from universities across the country to be part of this championship. A huge round of applause to everyone. Over the next few days, we will witness some of the finest university squash players in India compete with passion, determination, and sportsmanship. This tournament is not only about winning matches, but also about building lasting friendships, respecting the game, and celebrating the spirit of university sport. At Somaiya, we believe in beginning every important occasion with a moment of reflection and gratitude. I request everyone present here to kindly rise for the campus prayer. I request Sunita Gangrade ma'am to please sing the campus prayer for us.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purna Mudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Ishavasya sarvam Yatkincha Jagatyam Jagat Tena tyaktena bhunjitha ma grudha kasya svidhanam mukam karoti vachalam pangum langhayate girim yat krupatamaham vande Paramananda Madhavam Om Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinam Avitrivatu Om Chodayitri Sunrutanam Chetanti Sumatinam Yajnam Dadhe Saraswati Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै सर्वैत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् ॐ शान्तिः 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 धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Sunita ma'am. To formally welcome all our guests and participants to the campus and this prestigious championship, I would now like to invite Mr. Izaz Khan, the organizing secretary of the tournament and director of Somaiya Sports Academy, to deliver the welcome address. May I request Mr. Khan to please address the gathering.
Thank you, Aditya. Respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Observer AIU Ajay Malik Sir, dear managers, coaches, various universities, my colleague from Somaiya Vidya Vihar University, a warm welcome to all of you at the Somaiya Vidya Vihar University. It's truly a pleasure for us to host an AIU Squash Championship once again. Many of you are very familiar faces, and that shows that sporting is growing when it comes to squash. We're building together over a period of 4 years now, and from 19 universities, we have gone to 40 men's university and 35 women university participating over here. As I often repeat this throughout every managers meeting or the opening ceremony, that I believe, this is worth repeating again and again, that this tournament does not belong to the host university, which is us. It just belongs to all of us because we are all playing this tournament and it's an AIU tournament. So I expect you all to be a part of it and feel that it is yours. So thank you so much for coming. Our effort as a host is very simple. We want to create an environment where athletes compete with their best, where officials and coaches feel the support, and the tournament is conducted in a professional and a fair manner. If there's anything that you need any help, we have volunteers, we have officials who can help you out. The way squash is growing in this country is just unreal. It's been the last year when I was in front of you guys, where we said that we are bidding to host FISU, which is the World Squash University Championship, and then India bid for it, and after awarded as to host the the FISU Squash World University Championship, it was awarded to Maharashtra, Mumbai, and then it was to University Mumbai, that is Somaiya Vidya Vihar University. In August, the second week, we'll be hosting the FISU World University Championship in Somaiya campus. This shows that it is growing and growing pretty fast because it's not too far that we are entering Olympic in 2028. The LA Olympic, where squash is getting to be recognized and will be played in the Olympic. It's a great achievement for squash as a community. Clap for yourself, guys. We'll let this program begin because you all have traveled today the whole day, and Mumbai, for some reason, I don't know, the heat is on over here. Till yesterday it was 42 degree, today 38 degree. I found few students from Madras, they were saying, no, this is hotter than Madras. So you can imagine there's something very unusual that's happening. It doesn't happen that in March, especially in Mumbai. But I wish you all, please hydrate yourself, look after yourself. We do have mosquito nuisance issues in the city. So please look after yourself. Make sure that you're covered pretty well when you sleep. As I said, that it's pretty hot. Look after yourself and wish you all the best. And we'll make sure that obviously the best team will win. But others need to make sure that you are there to support them. So thank you so much once again, and welcome to Somaiya Mumbai.
Thank you, Izaz sir, for the warm words and setting up the tone for the tournament. So this championship brings together universities from across India, each represented by exceptional athletes who have earned their place here through dedication and performance. So I'll be calling out the names of the universities. So I request the team, the men and women team, to please rise so we can know the team members. So first and foremost, we have Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. The athletes, the team, if you can just rise, if you are here. Few of the universities are on the way. They will be reaching tonight. Second is Jai Narayan Vyas University, Jodhpur. Third, we have Kavyatri Bhinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. Punjab University, Chandigarh. University of Allahabad. Devi Ahilya University, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. The defending champions, Somaiya Vidya Vihar University, Mumbai. Kurukshetra University, Lucknow University. We have got Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. Punjabi University, Patiala. Shri Kushaldas University, Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. If you can just rise, please. We'll start with from Somaiya Vidya University. We'll start again. Somaiya Vidya University, Mumbai, the players, the men's and the women's and the coach. If you can rise for the cameraman, please. Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra, if you are here, you can please rise. We have got Lucknow University. Lucknow team is here. Mohanlal Sukhadia University, Udaipur. Punjabi University, Patiala. Shri Kushaldas University, Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. The boys team. A strong contender this year, University of Delhi men's and women's team. University of Delhi in the house. Ahmedabad University. University of Kota. CGC University, Mohali. University of Mumbai. Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji, Bhavnagar University. The men's and the women's team. NNIP Gwalior, the men's and women's team, NNIP. They have just entered. After LNIP University, we have Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur. Then we have Mahe Manipal University. Manipal University. Gurukul Kangdi University, Haridwar. We have have the Gurukul Kangri University team member. Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur. We have the men's and women's team from Raipur. Lala Lajpat Rai University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Hisar, Haryana. Banaras Hindu University, BHU. We have got the men's and women's team of University of Madras, another powerhouse in squash in front of you, everyone. The men's and women's team of Anna University, Chennai. We move on to men's and women's team of University of Kerala. University of Kerala towards my left. The men's team of Shiv Nadar Institute of Eminence, deemed to be University Greater Noida. We move on to men's and women's team of Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. Rohtak on my right. We move on to men's and women's team of University of Rajasthan. University of Rajasthan. The women's team of Manipal University, Jaipur. Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. The men's and women's team of KLE Technological University, Karnataka. The university from Karnataka. Then the men's and women's team of Flame University, Pune. Flame University. Men's and women's team of Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Last and not the least, the men's and women's team of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra. Thank you all the teams who rose for the photographer here. Izaz sir spoke about FISU World University Championship Squash. There is a small video, we want to present it to everyone. So all eyes on the screen, please.
It all started with a vision to build a stage where young athletes could shine and where their talent could find its true home. Step by step, that vision took shape. Over 3 consecutive years, students, coaches and universities came together at Somaiya Vidyavihar University to play, to grow and to celebrate the game. We hosted 3 consecutive AIU National Squash Championships. 3 years of learning, building and believing. And then we carried that belief to the world stage. In 2024, we stood behind Team India at the World University Championship in South Africa. It was more than a sponsorship. It was pride in watching our students wear the tricolour, compete with the world and make history. It was a promise that our story is only beginning.
We want to make sure that we set the standard.
With every step, we earned trust. With every tournament, we built friendship. Somaiya became more than a place. It became a home for squash, for athletes, and for dreams.
This organization was the best organization.
And today, that dream grows bigger. After Egypt and South Africa, India will host the FISU World University Championship in squash. In 2026, the world will play at Somaiya Vidyavihar University, Mumbai. Just as squash is stepping onto the grandest stage of all, the Olympic Games, Los Angeles 2028, India is leveling up. In 2024, India brought home bronze in both team and individual events. A historic first for the country at FISU World University Championship. This only cemented the notion that India is not just participating in the future of squash. India is placing itself at the center of it.
So this tournament also plays a key role in the road to FISU World University Championship in squash, giving all our student athletes present here the opportunity to compete at an international platform. We already have got 18 international teams who have confirmed on the FISU GMS. To share a few words and extend his support to all the participating team, I now invite the Vice Chancellor of Somaiya Vidya Vihar University to deliver the opening address, Professor Ajay Kapoor, sir, please.
Wonderful to be here with all of you sports people today. A couple of thoughts come to my mind. We have seen that this is the fourth time we are organizing the tournament here. This is the largest contingent that we have welcomed here, 40 men's team and 35 plus women's team. So well done. I know how hot it is in Mumbai, but that is what sports is about. You are pushing your body and you are making sure that doesn't matter what the conditions are, you still perform, you still deliver what the best your body can. So don't take any notice of temperature, keep yourself hydrated, sleep well, practice well, play well. Now, there are not many things I'll say, but let me officially welcome, number one, all of my students from all over the country. Wonderful to see so many universities represented here. Some of the universities where I have been, like Banaras Hindu University, BHU, that team is here, very close to me. Kerala teams are here, Chennai teams are here, North Indian teams are here. So somehow I feel very attached to all of you. Secondly, all the coaches who have been teaching all the students, very warm welcome to all of you. All the officials, a very, very warm welcome to all of you here also. And we got somebody who I feel, we all feel very attached to. My namesake, Ajay Malik ji. I'm also Ajay Kapoor, and here we have Ajay Malik. And I'm told that you have been very supportive of us, and thank you very much for that. When you go for competition, competing against teams, what do you do? So there's one advice which I'll give you. You have to compete against yourself. Doesn't matter how many teams are there, doesn't matter how they are playing, good, bad, better, whatever. You play against yourself. Whatever you were doing yesterday, you have to do better than that today. So you have to perform against yourself, win against yourself. So keep that in mind, and I am wishing all of you the very best. I am sure all of you will win this, playing better than what you were playing yesterday. So on that note, a very warm welcome. Congratulations to the organizers. I know how much effort it requires, as well as you and your team. Wonderful to see all this happen. Urmi, all the background support you provide to everybody, a very warm welcome to you as well. And I see so many familiar colleagues and faces, a very warm welcome. Thanks to all of you as well. Let me declare the tournament open now.
Thank you, sir, for those encouraging words. We are honored to have with us for the fourth time in a row Dr. Ajay Malik, sir, the AIU observer for the championship. May I request Professor Vice Chancellor Ajay Kapoor sir to please felicitate Dr. Ajay Malik sir. I now invite Dr. Ajay Malik sir to deliver the keynote address, please.
एड्रेस तो मैं नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि मेरा एड्रेस जब आपका टूर्नामेंट सक्सेसफुली कंडक्ट हो जाएगा उसके बाद बनता है, पर मैं AIU की तरफ से आप सब लोगों का इस सोमैया परिवार में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं और उम्मीद करता हूं कि पिछले 3 वर्षों से जो सोमैया परिवार ने, एजाज सर की जो टीम है, उन्होंने जो एक स्टैंडर्ड सेट किया है, इस बार हम उसको भी बीट करेंगे। और जैसा कहा कि फीसू इस बार वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप आपकी सोमैया परिवार में ही होने जा रहा है, तो इस बार खिलाड़ियों के ऊपर और ज़्यादा प्रेशर रहेगा कि आप अपने आप को जितने अच्छे से परफॉर्म करेंगे उतने ही आपके चांसेस वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की टीम के लिए ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे। ज़्यादा अधिक मैं नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि लास्ट में जब मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन रहेगी देन आई विल स्पीक लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट मैं AIU की तरफ से माननीय कुलपति महोदय जी का बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ क्योंकि जैसे सर ने कहा कि हम अटैच हैं, सर का नाम भी अजय, मेरा नाम भी अजय, और जब 2 अजय इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं तो कोई चीज़ भी फिर पराजित नहीं हो सकती है, तो विजयी होता है फिर तो। और डॉक्टर उमी मैम बैठी हुई हैं, इनका भी बहुत हमें सहयोग मिलता है, पूरा सोमैया परिवार है, तो मैं AIU की तरफ से आप सब का भी तहे दिल से हार्दिक आभार करता हूं कि आपने हमारा आग्रह स्वीकार किया और इस प्रतियोगिता को लगातार 4थी बार आप आयोजित कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी कार्यक्रम आयोजित करना इट्स नॉट एन ईजी जॉब। हमें लगता है 3 दिन के लिए हम आते हैं, खेल कर चले जाते हैं, बट उसके पीछे जो फोर्स लगी होती है, कितने महीनों से एजाज सर, आदित्य, शिवा और इनकी पूरी टीम रात दिन लगी रहती है, कांटेक्ट, ये टच में रहते हैं। ये भी नहीं था कि ऑब्जर्वर कौन आएगा, फिर भी कंटिन्यू हम लोग टच में रहते हैं, कैसी प्रिपरेशन चल रही है, क्या चल रही है, क्या हुआ। और इस बार आपने देखा अकोमोडेशन का भी आपको अच्छी अकोमोडेशन मिली है, वैसे तो हर बार ही अच्छी होती है, पर इस बार नया हॉस्टल बनवाया आप लोगों के लिए, तो मैं चाहूँगा एक बार सोमैया परिवार के लिए एक बार हम सब लोग जोरदार ताली बजाकर इन लोगों का हौसला बढ़ाएं। अधिक मैं नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि मैं भी जिस संस्था से आता हूँ, गुरुकुल कांगड़ी से, वो भी इसी तरह की संस्था है, बहुत ही पवित्र संस्था है। तो हमारे भी एक परंपरा होती है अतिथि देवो भव, क्योंकि मैं पिछले 4 साल से यहाँ आ रहा हूँ, तो अब मैं अतिथि नहीं हूँ, अब मैं इस परिवार का सदस्य हूँ। तो माननीय कुलपति जी जिन्होंने 4 महीने पहले इस परिवार को ज्वाइन किया है, तो मैं अपने विश्वविद्यालय की तरफ से माननीय कुलपति जी का भी छोटा सा स्वागत करना चाहूँगा। अनमोल, यदि मेरी आवाज़ सुन रहा हो, और आपसे मैं उम्मीद करूँगा जैसे एजाज सर ने कहा कि इट्स योर टूर्नामेंट, अगर कोई छोटी मोटी गलतियाँ रह जाती है, वो सारी गलती आप, मैं उन सारी गलतियों को लेने के लिए तैयार हूँ। गलती वैसे रहेगी नहीं, कोई भी ऐसा नहीं रहता है कि कोई गलती रहेगी, तो मैं एजाज सर से, मैम से भी आग्रह करूँगा। टीम के लीडर एजाज सर, के लिए पहले तो मैं एक बार चाहूँगा जोरदार आप ताली बजाएं, क्योंकि इन्हीं की एफर्ट है जो फीसू के लिए बिड करने के बाद रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया, और रिप्रेजेंटेशन के बाद बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ थी जो प्लान कर रही थी कि हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे, और उन कंट्रीज़ के बीच में से निकाल के लाना, और आपको एक मौका ये दिया गया है। तो एजाज सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली बजाएं आप सब लोग प्लीज़। भूमि मैम भी हमारे बीच है। मैम आपका भी हम
Thank you, Ajay sir, for sharing your thoughts. If Somaya, Mumbai, India has backed the hosting rights for FISU, you have a credible support in that, sir. A huge round of applause for Dr. Ajay Malik, sir, for guiding the tournament organizing committee and local organizing committee very importantly. We move on to something we do in each tournament of AIU National Squash Championship is the unveiling of the trophies. So the players to know what they are fighting for. So my request to the committee members to please bring the trophies in front on the podium, please. This year, the crystal trophies for AIU. So the trophies in front of you, these trophies represent not just victory, but months and years of training, discipline, and determination. Now we have the cultural performances. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to please take the seats in the front row, and the volunteers to please help clear the stage, please. We now move on to a celebration of culture and creativity. Presenting a classical Indian dance performance by the talented students of Somaya School of Humanities and Social Sciences. Please put your hands together and enjoy the performance.
स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं, हे गणराय तेरे बिना मैं, आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा, साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। मेरे अधूरे
नमो
गणराय ये जीवन है।
Up next, we have an energetic fusion dance performance presented by the student of K.D. Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce. Blending tradition with contemporary rhythm, this performance reflects the vibrant spirit of our student community. Let's encourage them with a big round of applause, everyone.
करुणी वंदन इदा मांडून इदा देवाला इदा गावाला इदा पाटलाला इदा मंडळीला आम्ही सांगतो नमन तुम्ही ऐका हो गुणीजन पयल नमन आम्ही करीतो वंदन तुम्ही ऐका हो गुणीजन आम्ही करीतो कथन ਅਸੀਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਸ ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਖੱਜੜੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਫੁੱਲ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਜਨਾਬ ਦਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਮਾਨਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੱਟੂ ਪਿੰਡ ਬੰਨ ਕੇ ਚਾਦਰਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਅਮ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਪੁੱਤ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਗੱਡੀ ਰੱਬ ਵੱਲ ਸਿੱਧੀ ਗੇਰ ਟਾਪ ਦਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਮਾਨਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੱਟੂ ਪਿੰਡ ਬੰਨ ਕੇ ਚਾਦਰਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ
Those were the students from K.D. Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce. If you like the energy, a huge round of applause for the students, please. Sport and culture create the true spirit of a university campus. Tonight, we are celebrating both. Sports are built on values of fairness, discipline, and respect. To reaffirm these values, I now invite our very own player from Somaiya University, Mr. Om Semwal, to lead the student pledge on behalf of all the athletes participating in this championship. I request Mr. Om to please step forward, please. I request all the players, the men's and women's players, to please rise for the pledge. The players to please rise for the pledge and place your right hand forward, please.
Good evening, everyone. I request all the players to repeat the pledge after me. In the name of all competitors, I pledge that we will take part in the AIU squash tournament in true spirits of fair play and sportsmanship, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them for the glory and integrity of sports and the honor of our universities and of our teams. Thank you.
That was Mr. Om Semwal. Thank you, Om. Up next, we have a special performance by a talented young athlete like you. Khushi Rajesh Bhatkar, a student of K.D. Somaiya College of Physiotherapy, is a national level artistic skater who has won 2 bronze medals at the National Artistic Skating Championship and has earned more than 100 medals across district and state competitions. She has even had the honor of performing in front of the former President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together for Ms. Khushi Bhatkar in front of you. So a round of applause to Khushi. That was something unique that we have seen today. So music lovers, this one is for you. Get ready for an electrifying performance and give them a huge round of applause for band Kambakht from K.D. Somaiya Junior College of Science and Commerce.
A very good evening, everyone.
Hello.
We are Kambakht, the band, and
Hello.
today we are
Hello.
going to perform some really amazing set of songs.
Hello.
Some
Hello.
that you all know word by word. So we
Hello,
are
hello,
really pleasured today to perform here in front of you, and I'm really happy. My whole band, Arman and I, today we are going to give you a thrilling experience. So get ready for our performance.
That was band Kambakt in front of you. Very importantly, these are the junior college student, only 11th and 12th grader. What skills, what performance. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude the opening ceremony, I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. I request everyone to please settle down. India lifting the ICC T20 Cricket World Cup yesterday night. And our squash players present here looking forward to the selection trials of Indian team for the FISU World University Championship squash in August. At Mumbai, at Somaiya Vidya Vihar University, we as the sports and squash community has started thinking, country comes first, देश के लिए. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपने में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Thank you everyone for being part of this wonderful evening. On behalf of Somaiya Vidya Vihar University and the organizing committee, we wish all participating teams the very best for the championship. May the best team win and may the spirit of sportsmanship guide every match. Dinner will be served at Gargi Plaza. I request the volunteers and the committee members to kindly guide the participating universities. Have a wonderful evening and enjoy the tournament. This is Aditya Singh signing off. Thank you.